A very warm good morning to my lovely students. I hope so you all are doing well at home. Babies, as you know that we are done with chapter 1 of English Reader. So there will be class test on 15th. As I told you in yesterday's video that there will be class test on 14th. But on 14th there is holiday. So the class test will be taken on 15th of April. Now, today we are going to start our English grammar. So, let's start it. Before starting it, I just want to tell you, if you don't have a new book of English grammar, so no need to be worried. What you have to do, you just make a separate notebook for that and note down the work in that particular notebook. So, let's start today's session. Students, here we are with chapter 1 of English grammar, that is let's revise. It means we are going to revise whatever we learned in class 4th. So let's start with first question, and question 1 is arrange these words in alphabetical order. Before starting the question, let's have a look on English alphabet. As we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet which are shown in the screen, as you can see here. So A to Z is the order of these English alphabet you can see here. Now let's start question 1. Arrange these words in alphabetical order. Question 1 is yachting, skiing, archery, discus throw, polo, badminton. You have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So its alphabetical order is like this: archery at first, then badminton, after that discus throw, then polo, then skiing, and then yachting. Number 2 is Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and China. So we have to arrange these names of countries in alphabetical order. So its order is like this: Bangladesh at first, then Bhutan, then China, then Myanmar, then Nepal, and Pakistan at last. Now we have number 3, and words which are given are introvert, stubborn, diligent, indecisive, confident, and aggressive. So its order will be like this: aggressive at first, then confident, after that diligent, after that indecisive, then introvert, and at last stubborn. Now we have question 4. This is celery, carrots, cabbage, ginger, garlic, and string beans. So order will be like this: cabbage at first, then carrots, then celery, and then garlic, then ginger, and string beans at last. Now number 5, protect, pollute, preserve, pollution, protection, and preservation. So order will be like this: pollute at first, then pollution, then preservation, then preserve, then protect, then protection. Babies, I'm not going through so much because we know it, how to arrange in alphabetical order. We are just revising how to do. Now, next we have question 2, and question 2 is like this: identify the kinds of sentences. Number 1, drink plenty of water. So students, when we advise, suggest, or order, that sentence is of imperative sentence. So you can say here it's a suggestion or advice that drink plenty of water. That is imperative sentence. Then number 2, it's do you turn the tap off while brushing your teeth? So as at the end it's question mark, so this is interrogative sentence. Number 3 is I use a sprinkler rather than a hose to water my plants. So this is just a statement. Number 4 is oh no, this tap is leaking. As here, this is exclamation mark. So this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Number 5, we should avoid junk food. This is suggestion. So yes, this sentence is imperative sentence. Number 6, don't eat too much fried food. This is also advice. So yes, this is which kind of sentence? This is also imperative sentence. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is question 3, and that is circle the subject and underline the predicate. So here is solution. Using a carpool is one of the best ways to save environment. So what is subject? Using a carpool is subject and rest of the part of sentence is predicate. Number 2, I would like to have a strawberry shake and a vegetable sandwich. So I is subject and rest of the part of sentence is predicate. Number 3, Ravi and his friend went to the supermarket. So Ravi and his friend is subject and rest of the part is, this is predicate. Number 4, most of the students are afraid of exams. So what is subject here? Most of the students is subject and are afraid of exam is predicate. Number 5, managing your time effectively is subject and rest of the part is predicate. Now number 6, parents should stop comparing their children with other students. So parents is subject and rest of the part is predicate. Now let's move to the question is question 4, and it says identify the tense and turn these sentences into negative and interrogative. The first one is done for you. So have a look. Number 1 is I take exercise daily. So this sentence is in simple present tense. Now we have to convert it into negative and interrogative. As we know that in simple present tense, for converting it into negative, we need helping verb do or does. Now with I, do is used. So it's negative form. How to form negative? Subject plus helping verb do or does, then not, then first form of verb, and then rest of the part of sentence. So it is done for you. I don't take exercise daily. Then how to convert it into interrogative? What we have to do, we start with helping verb. So what is helping verb in simple present tense? That is do. So its interrogative will be like this. Do I take exercise daily? Now number 2 is she joins a study group for revision. This joins tells us that this sentence is in simple present tense. And I just told you that in simple present tense we need do or does as helping verb for converting into negative or interrogative. So its negative will be like this. She does not join a study group for revision. Here it will be she does not join a study group for revision. Now how will be its interrogative? Its interrogative will be like this. Does she join a study group for revision? As you can see here, this one. She does not join a study group for revision, and its interrogative. Does she join a study group for revision? Now number 3. Number 3 is he managed his time effectively. Managed tells us that this statement or sentence is in simple past tense. Now, how to convert it into negative or interrogative? For converting into interrogative or negative, we need helping verb did. And how to convert? We convert it like this: subject plus did plus not, then first form of verb, and then rest part of the sentence. So its negative will be like this: he did not. Now what is the first form of managed? It is manage. Its negative is he did not manage his time effectively. And its interrogative: did he manage his time effectively? As you can see, he did not manage his time effectively, and did he manage his time effectively? Now next is its fourth part, and that is Bhavna is preparing for exams. So this is preparing tells us that this sentence is in present continuous tense. Then how to convert into negative? We just put not after helping verb. And what is helping verb here? This is. So its negative is Bhavna is not preparing for exams. Then interrogative: is Bhavna preparing for exams? Number 5. Manu will borrow Ruskin Bond's book from library. Now this will borrow tells us that this sentence is in simple future tense. So its negative will be like this: Manu will not borrow Ruskin Bond's book from library. And its interrogative, we will put helping verb at the first, so it will become like this: will Manu borrow Ruskin Bond's book from library? Now last one, that is sixth part, is they were watching a reality show. So this were watching tells us that this sentence is in past continuous tense. So how to form its negative? We will put not after this helping verb were. So they were not watching a reality show. And its interrogative, we will put helping verb at first. So it will become like this: were they watching a reality show? So babies, this is its solution. You can see here. So students, we are done with today's session. I hope so you understood it very well. Now see you tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye. Bye.